Namaste. The benefits of Bhramari Pranayama. This is a very good practice to calm down the mind. It helps us to get rid of stress, anxiety and sleeplessness. This is an excellent practice to get rid of insomnia. It's a very good practice for increasing the memory power and concentration. It helps us to develop the focus. This practice also helps us to maintain the blood pressure in a normal rate. This practice is very good for getting rid of certain throat infections, and it helps us to gives us good voice, a nice voice. Bhramari Pranayama is the best time to practice Bhramari Pranayama is before sleep, but please make sure that you sleep after 2 hours of dinner. This practice should be done only in empty stomach, and please never do this practice in lying down position. This practice should be done only in sitting position. So when you do the practice before sleeping, you sit down on the bed and do the number of rounds and then lie down. And this practice can also be done before meditation also, to calm down the mind and prepare yourself in a better way for a nice good meditation.
Namaste. Now we are going to do Bhramari Pranayama or Honeybee Pranayama. This pranayama can be done in 2 ways. One is plugging the ears with just index fingers, only with index fingers, and doing with a Shanmukhi Mudra, but we are going to do simple variation, plugging the ears with a index finger. So this practice can be done with the closed eyes. You have to take a deep inhalation, and then when you exhale you are going to produce the sound like a honeybee or bumblebee. So first you have to plug both the ears with the index fingers, and you have to close your eyes. So after closing your eyes, imagine yourself, your head as a beautiful lotus and your spine as a stem of the lotus, and a small honeybee sitting in the center of the lotus and sucking the nectar. After visualizing all those things, take a deep inhalation, After finishing the practice, just close your eyes and become aware of the inner silence and the relaxation in the mind. Then gently open your eyes. This practice can be done 11 rounds or 21 rounds. You cannot keep your hands like this continuously. So in between you can keep your hands down during the practice. For example, if you are going to do 11 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama, in between, after finishing 4 rounds, you can keep your hands on the lap and eyes remain closed. Take rest for few seconds and then continue the practice again. If you feel pain, again keep your hands down, eyes remain closed. When you feel okay, then again plug your ears with the index finger and then continue the practice. So like this practice can be done 11 rounds or 21 rounds. So you cannot keep your hands like this. So you have to maintain your elbow like this. Namaste.